Welcome to my channel. My name is Shirries. In this channel, we make money online. We do crypto and stocks. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to deposit money into Quotex. That way, you'll be able to trade. And guys, do remember that there is a demo account which you can use to practice until you are sure. And guys, don't forget that I do have that Facebook group. It is a private group, or you can also join on YouTube. I do have a private group where we are going to post these signals. All you have to do is just to copy and paste and then start trading. And then in future, you will get better and start trading on your own. But right now, we are still learning. We are learning from the professionals. We are also getting these trade alerts and signals from the professionals for us to trade and continue. So yeah, guys, without wasting time, let me just go to my laptop and show you how to deposit money into your account. First thing that you do need to create an account. If you do not have the account, you will click the link on the video description or even on my link tree. So you click deposit once you're in your account, and there are different cryptocurrencies. I am going to use TRC20. That's the network. Don't use ERC20. It's expensive when it comes to fees. And then you do specify the amount that you want to deposit. So just add $1 extra for fees if you want to deposit $30. And then when you scroll down, you will click deposit. After clicking deposit, it will give you the address, then the amount that you want to deposit. Then you log into your account where your money is located. So mine is under BitGet. Under asset, you will click asset. And then when you get to assets, you will click account. And then it will give you all the assets that you have, which the cryptocurrencies and the amounts that you have. So I do have USDT. I just clicked withdraw because I am withdrawing from BitGet into Quotex. So if you have your money in Luno, just do it on Luno. And then the next thing that you select the network. It is TRC20. And if you are using a network, an account where the network is not there, just select the right network. So for me, BitGet does have TRC20. And the next thing, you go back to Quotex and then you copy the address, and then you will copy the amount as well. You paste it here and then click next. The next thing, it will ask you to check. So you click the amount and then you add it. So I am going to deposit 30. Just add $1. I forgot to add $1. Therefore, I did deposit $29 instead of $30. So you do need to confirm that the address is correct, because once you deposit and the address is not correct, then you will lose your money. So the next thing, you click next and confirm your withdrawal. And for me, I did add two-factor authentication so that I get the notification whenever there's a deposit. So I also get notification on my email. So I will go back to those and get the right logins, authentication, and then click withdraw. So I am now done withdrawing. So the withdrawal was successful in less than 5 minutes. So now my money is on my Quotex account. So you just have to check your live account like this, and this is how you deposit the money. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also share this video with many people who do not know. We are going to trade cryptocurrencies, and do remember on Quotex, we are trading for 1 minute. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and do enjoy your day.